G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a special home, 3 Aplin Street in the beachside suburb of Point Vernon. We are directly opposite the Esplanade and Gables boat ramp, looking out across those emerald waters of Hervey Bay with this large 2-storey home offering self-contained living on both levels with 6 bedrooms in total. And we have this resort style pool with gazebo, side access and a triple bay shed, so you'll have everything you'll need to enjoy the lifestyle that comes with living in beautiful Hervey Bay. Let's go and take a proper look around. Upstairs, the main kitchen truly does form the heart of this home and includes that beautiful stone bench top, high quality finishes and appliances, loads of storage, and looks out across the vast open plan dining and main living area. You will appreciate those 180-degree sea views that you do get whilst looking out from just about every window of the upstairs area. Capitalising again on the location and aspect, this property does include verandas at the front and rear of the property to capture those 180-degree sea views looking out across the emerald waters of Hervey Bay. Upstairs, this home does include 4 spacious bedrooms, all of which include their own built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom does include a large walk-in wardrobe as well as its own ensuite and access to that north-facing enclosed rear veranda looking out across that beautiful resort-style pool. The main bathroom does include a bathtub, shower and vanity, and we also have a separate toilet. Downstairs there is a second kitchen with a breakfast bar bench top. We've got an electric cooktop and range hood as well as a wall oven looking out across that open plan dining and living area. There is an additional 2 spacious bedrooms on the ground floor, both including large built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans, and you'll notice those high ceilings also carry throughout. There is a second bathroom on the ground floor as well, which does include a shower, and we have a second separate toilet as well. This home does include 2 separate laundries, one on each level. This home also includes a large rumpus or games room, which could also be an ideal craft room. It does include a wet bar, as well as we have a separate toilet and vanity or powder room. There is a single lock-up garage which does offer internal access into this home, as well as we have clear side access through that fantastic triple bay shed to the rear, which has a high entry and will be ideal for those with large caravans or boats. You will enjoy the lifestyle that comes with Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate with that beautiful resort-style pool and gazebo. This home truly will be ideal for those living with teenagers or looking to have extended family come and live with them, or the potential to supplement their income through Airbnb or stays accommodation options. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.